this is the most connected truck ever. We have more sensors and a number of connected solutions to help our customers better keep track of their fleet and optimize the fleet with different reports and metrics.
It's really hard for a fleet manager with multiple vehicles, knowing how to maintain them, especially as we have different ages within the fleet, and you may have different engines, sizes, and others. We let you know exactly what needs to be done and when, and help take all that guesswork out of your day-to-day operations.
We're able to act proactively. Even before a code is displayed to the driver via the dash, we can know that something's going on the truck. And for a customer, that just translates into more uptime, which means more productivity, which hopefully means more revenue and a better experience for their customers and their drivers.
We have the best dealer network to support long-haul truck drivers. We've got over 400 rooftops across the US and Canada. When you need support, when you need help, we've got the distribution and the dealer network to do that.
Rest assured that as a driver, you will drive in the most safe and connected vehicle out on the road, which is great for you, and it's great for everyone around you that you share the road with.